Hi, this is Cheryl Hardy. I'm a product specialist at Chiron, and I wanted to make a little instructional video as to how to make a directory. So, if we go here, this is version 7 of Lyric Pro. Of course, these instructions will work for previous versions, but this is our current release of software. So, to start, we go to Config, Preferences, and we go to default paths, and this shows us where our default paths are. When we push any of these buttons up here, use any of the tools that open objects, it will go to, or any of these things, it will go immediately to this file path as long as you have always browsed a specified path ticked. So if we want to create our new directory for our show or for whatever, then you would click on Create Select Project Hierarchy, and we'll create a new project hierarchy on our iDrive, and we'll give it a new folder, and we're going to name this folder what we want to name our directory. So for the moment, I'm just going to name it Training. So double click the new folder you just made, and you want to make sure that the root is pointing at the name of the directory. Once you hit OK, it will ask you, do you want to create these new directories? And you say yes. And you see how it changes over all of your default paths to the correct directory. And that's it. Something you want to watch out for is if you're trying to change between directories, which I would suggest you do just with a user profile, but in case you were doing it through this way, you want to make sure that you don't go into the wrong area. So you want this to be pointing at your directory name. If by accident you point it at the wrong folder, you'll notice that it will start asking you if you want to create new directories. It shouldn't ask you this more than once. The first time, yes, but after that, if it's asking you if you want to create directories, you've done something wrong. Hope that helps. Good luck and happy Chironing.